I'm Amanda with suretyCAM DIY, and I'm going to talk about the first steps in installing your 2 gig Go Control panel from suretyCAM. First in the box, you'll find your user guide, and then obviously your panel. We'll want to start off by checking to make sure that the antenna, the cell phone module, and the power supply that suretyCAM have installed haven't come loose during shipping. We'll also want to take this opportunity to connect your backup battery pack. In order to do that, we'll need to remove the back plate from your panel. You have one screw to remove, at which point the back plate should snap off rather easily. Here is your power supply. Make sure it's firmly connected. Check to make sure your antenna, which is plugged into your cell phone module, is also firmly attached. You might also want to give your cell phone module one push at the top where it snaps in. Once you've checked these 3 components, you're ready to connect your backup battery pack. Pretty simple. Just take this, push until you hear a snap. Now that we've connected your backup battery pack, we're ready to plug in the panel, complete your cell phone test, and also test your cell phone signal strength. Once you've plugged in the panel, it might take up to 10 or 15 seconds for the panel to power on. Once your panel powers on, you should see this screen. If for some reason you don't, simply push the home button and you should return to the home screen. From here, in order to test your cell phone signal strength and complete your cell phone test, you'll want to enter installer mode. In order to do that, simply push the icon at the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. You'll now need to enter your installer code, which should be written on the back of your user guide. Here, our result has told us that we've successfully passed our cell phone test. If for some reason you don't obtain this result, you'll need to call tech support. On this screen, you'll see at the top a signal strength value of 31 out of 31. You'll want to check the signal strength in the location you desire to install your 2 gig Go Control panel from suretyCAM. If for some reason the signal strength is less than 11 out of 31, you'll need to find an alternate location. Now that you've prepped your panel, you'll want to check to make sure your control panel and your alarm.com account are working together. Now, in order to do this, take a look at your welcome letter. In that letter, you'll find the URL for your login, as well as your login and password. Let's go ahead and log in now. Now that we're logged into alarm.com, we'll want to check to make sure that we can send a command through alarm.com to our panel. Let's try arming a stay. Now, once we've confirmed that alarm.com is communicating with our panel, we'll be able to move on to the next stage and physically install the panel. Looks like we're ready to go. Stay tuned for future videos.